Hello and welcome to our Khmer Healthy Cooking.
What are you going to cook today?
Today we are going to cook spicy stir-fried vegetable. For the ingredients we have garlic, tofu, long bean, holy basil leaf, spice paste, soy sauce, salt and chili.
How do you cook it?
First we need to turn on the fire. Add spices. And fry it until it smells good. And after add tofu, fry with spice paste. Make sure that you stir it, do not let it burn. You need to fry the long bean until it's soft and add other ingredients. We add soy sauce. And salt to taste. For the garlic, we already have in spice paste, and if you want to add more, you can. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water. And after that, you add holy basil leaf and chili and fry it until it's cooked. So now the fried stir vegetable is cooked. You need to turn off the fire. And serve it into the plate. And I use chili to decorate it. Now I hope you guys can do this at home because it's easy to make. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye and chum riep lia.